In this guide, I will show you how to find your size in Cnfans. So guys, go to Cnfans website and then search for shirt on this search, and then you will see this website, this page. Click the first result here. After that, when you click this one, you will see this page. From this page, you find different sizes here, 150, 76A and XS. And you have this option, size helper. Just click this size helper, and then you can find this help you to find your size. For XS, you have 0 to 2 US. For white, this is for white, and this is for hip, long, or something like this. And this CM size unity, and inch, this for inch, I think. From here, you can guys manage and choose your best size for you, and then choose any size if you want. This is how you can do, guys. Just follow these tables to help you to find your size on CM, or on you can choose the country also, UK or something like this, and you can choose men, women, and you can find all these sizes. And this is only rough conversion table size and vary between different seller and brand. So guys, to check your product details size, choose this size based on your measurement before making a purchase. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Just find this size helper to help